items. Every morning, the process begins. The pristine environment of the modern food factory is maintained.
Meticulous inspection is crucial. Workers carefully remove impurities by hand, ensuring only the purest slipping nests make it to the next stage. The thermal sterilization technique ensures every jar meets the highest standards of purity before moving to the filling stage.